Welcome to RTK Adventures. It is day 7 here on Mardi Gras. We are here for the Sailabration and it's kind of winding down unfortunately here, but we've got a fun day at sea ahead of us.
I'm going to ride Bolt today, so I'm looking forward to riding the roller coaster.
We also have a pie shop and baking in the Carnival Kitchen today, so we're looking forward to bringing you along to that.
But first, let's go get some coffee.
All right, now that we have our coffee, we're going to...
Deck number 19 to ride Bolt.
You are. I'll watch and video. Let's go.
Well, that was an ominous feeling walking up the stairs and not seeing Bolt go. Come to find out that they have some mechanical issues and it's too windy, so I can't ride Bolt. I did rebook for 5:30, so crossing my fingers that I get to go. Otherwise, I'm making TK book another cruise just so I can ride it. Just kidding. So now we're gonna go have some guys' burgers and fries, so let's go.
Well, after Bolt was canceled, we said we were going to come up here to Guys, but got up here a little early. Doesn't open till noon. A little line forming, and we should have our food very shortly.
Just got our burgers. Even though the line looked really long, it's super quick. They cook everything in front of you. You watch them make the burgers, put the cheese on there, make the fries. They're super quick at being able to assemble the burgers quickly for all the guests. So today I got the plain Jane cheeseburger. It comes with the burger and obviously the burger. And then you go over to put your toppings on. And I did onions, pickles, and then mayo, mustard, and ketchup. And then the fries are seasoned. I would assume if you're not a seasoning person, you could probably ask for no seasoning, but I've not had to ask for that. So they might be able to do that if you don't want that. So let's dig in. It's good as I remember it from the last cruise. The burgers are super juicy. They kind of just flatten them out, and it just has a nice crisp, so not like dry or anything, even though they flatten it out. Super juicy, very delicious. Let's try the fries. Not my favorite fry because on some previous ships they've used the fresh cut fries, and those were my most favorite because they just taste the most fresh, where this one is just, your regular French fry with the Guy's seasonings on it. So not my favorite, but still delicious.
I got back to the table and I couldn't resist taking a bite. So unfortunately, I've already taken a bite, but really nice branding here for the 50th birthday, right on the bun there. I did the pig patty, which adds the bacon in. Nice crispy up patty of bacon on top of it. Then you have the lettuce, the pickles, the onion, as well as the Guy's sauce on there as well. So here we go. That second bite tasted just like the first bite, and it was good. Really blended all the toppings together really nicely. You can't really have a bad Guy's burger, at least from my experience. Let's go into the fries here. As Renee mentioned, they used to have more straight, more fresh cut fries where they a little bit more greasy, and that's what I like about a fry. These are more straight cut and narrow, so let's give it a try. Not a bad fry, but I personally feel that with the fresh cut fries, you get a less starchy kind of composition to the fries. So I definitely prefer the fresh cut fry over the straight cut fry any day of the week, but these aren't terrible. The seasoning on here is pretty good as well.
What a delicious lunch here at Guy's Burger Joint. Always a fun place to stop. The burger was amazing as usual, and highly recommend that you check it out.
Now we're gonna head back to our room and get ready for Carnival Kitchen.
Well, we are here at Carnival Kitchen for our pie baking class, so really looking forward to getting inside.
And welcome to the beautiful Carnival Kitchen, where I see that a lot of you have been here before, so a warm welcome back. It's good to see you again. And to those of you who are here for the first time, let me introduce myself. My name is Russell Gomes, and today I have Chef Ravi and Kadek with me. And we are here to do what we call the Bake Shop and Pie Town. So basically it's a class wherein each one of you will be making your own apple, cinnamon and raisin pie. So you will be doing it right from scratch. You will be making the dough first, and then you will be making the apple mixture for that. And then you will be assembling your pies. And then since it takes about 1 hour for the pies to bake.
What station number are we? Station number 1. What a great time here at the Bake Shop in Pie Town at the Carnival Kitchen. We just had a blast.
It was so much fun. Got to learn how to start from scratch of how to make your pie crust to the filling. It was delicious, and it's exciting that they'll be able to send us the recipe so we can make when we get home.
Yeah, so we made the apple raisin pie, and they'll deliver it to our stateroom tonight so we can share it with some friends on our Havana bar area. Interesting enough, they can also deliver it right to your table at dining. Since we weren't sure where we were going to have dining tonight, we didn't want to put down a room and not show up. So we made sure we chose our room so we can be sure to have it later and enjoy it. Maybe we can find some ice cream somewhere.
Yeah, it's so exciting. So if you ever get a chance to do the Carnival Kitchen, I highly, highly recommend it. Another couple next to us did also the pasta making class. So we will definitely try it out again, but they do a wide range of classes from barbecuing to pasta making, pizza making, so lots of fun opportunities to take in.
Yeah, we're probably just gonna now walk around the ship and have a few drinks until dinner. All right, we lied. We saw Bistro 1396 right here next to Carnival Kitchen, and we had to stop.
If you ever get a chance to stop at Emeril's, definitely highly recommend. It's very delicious.
You had the beignets?
Yeah, the beignets, very delicious, with had a side of chocolate sauce and strawberry sauce, and lots of fun sugar.
And I had this steaming hot jambalaya as it came out, and it was fantastic. Really good flavor, really good spice. Had some, had the shrimp, the sausage, the chicken. Just really good, nice and hot, nice spices, nice mix of flavors. And of course, we both had to wash it down here with a nice Nautilus iced tea. So, highly recommend $13.96 if you're ever in the French Quarter here on Carnival Mardi Gras.
Well, hopefully third time's a charm to try both, but I'm not having good hopes right now. Yeah, at 5:30.
You can come alongside. If you're ready to ride it.
How was that?
Exhilarating. It's so freaky when you get above, like, where behind where TK is. It's just crazy. This is what you sit on. So it's, you're sitting here and then you're pulling the throttle to go faster. You have a boost, but I did not use that boost. It's going fast enough for my comfort. So amazing. Well worth the $15. Highly recommend.
Well, for dinner, we once again had Cucina del Capitano. What a great time we had the previous time. If you watch one of our previous videos, we did more of a thorough kind of inside. Today we just kind of went and ate and had a really good time eating.
Yeah, it was just as delicious, and highly recommend this restaurant. You know, it is definitely very delicious, and the service, at least on our end, was very good.
Yeah, it was a little slow to begin with. It did take some time for them to come around to get our food order, but once that got rolling, it was pretty quick after there. They also allowed us to split the short rib. That's not something we had last time, so
No, but that was delicious.
really good. So just a really good time here at Cucina del Capitano. And we had our wine, of course, as well. We're not sure what we're going to do next. Kind of walk around the ship and see what trouble we can get into in the final night. Our pies are here.
Woo!
There's Renee. And there's my pie.
It's better than my pie.
Well, our pies have arrived at our cabin, and we've brought them out here to the Havana Bar area.
They are still warm, so you know they just came out of the oven. Looks so delicious.
Yeah, so we're gonna dig here in a few minutes and try them out.
I'm gonna try the pie now. Very good. Crust is very crumbly. Good cinnamon flavor. I think TK did a good job making his pie.
Let's give this thing a try. That's good. I don't think I've ever had apple pie with raisins, and it adds a nice little texture to it. So on the B-roll footage, I do have to say I agree. I've never had an apple pie with raisins before, and I still have not had an apple pie with raisins. I will tell you, the apple pie was good. Tommy and Renee did a good job baking their pie. As you can see from the reflection in the window, Tommy's eating it. There's Renee. And John's just sitting off on the side over here, doing his thing. Over and out.
Hey guys, how are you?
Hi, we got Jesse James here on the Havana. The Havana experience has been really well. Fun, been taking care of us all week.
Yeah.
These are good people right here.
Thank you.
Very good, Jesse. It's been a pleasure.
Thank you guys.
Closing out today's video here on debarkation day, because last night we didn't have a chance to video. Just a really fun day at sea. Really fun to be able to do the Carnival Kitchen.
Yeah, it was fun just to be able to make the pie, and then in the evening being able to try the delicious pie.
I think that was my highlight from ship activities.
Mine, of course, beyond the pie making, was definitely Bolt. That was a blast to be able to take part in.
Yeah, so we just had a really fun week here on the Carnival Mardi Gras,
Yeah.
on the Sailabration, the 50th birthday. Just a real fun experience here. Although it was one of their more busy cruise, numbers as far as passengers. We were at full capacity, so it definitely felt full capacity at times.
Yep, definitely, for sure at times. But overall, the trip was amazing and definitely much needed.
We do want to welcome you to subscribe to our channel. We're hoping to get to 200 subscribers here real soon, and that's when we'll give away that Carnival shot glass that we featured in a couple previous videos. If you haven't already, please feel free to like this video as well. We're not sure if we're going to have another video tomorrow or not for our debarkation as well as our trip here around Florida. But if there is, that will be our next video. Otherwise, we'll probably get into some more baseball content as MLB just signed their collective bargaining agreement and baseball is back. So until next time, see you soon.